And here's the black pepper. That one's black pepper.
All right, give her a marker.
Scared of you.
Oh, it's all right, Kitty. Don't be scared.
That's why she's scared of you.
Why?
Because you're holding your phone.
You want to sit over here, Kitty?
Because you're holding your phone.
Oh, that's nothing to do for her.
But that's why she's scared of you.
I was very fortunate to be invited to the Strong Museum of Clay in celebration of the 50th anniversary of the Rubik's Cube.
She only can use the purple marker. Now it's time for the kitty.
Why is the Rubik's Cube an important toy?
You can draw too.
Oh, thank you.
Get a piece of paper.
Okay, can I draw here?
No.
No?
Yeah, I'm going to get a piece of paper for you.
Oh, thank you.
Over the course of 50 years, it's been solved by people who built over 500 million Rubik's Cubes have been sold. It said that 1 in 7 people have plays for Rubik's Cube. It's just a perfect symbol of complexity and simplicity all at once, because it has 42 quintillion ways how it can be scrambled, and only
Are you going to draw the same
but
thing
that
as
one
mine?
solution is something that